What's up, guys? Dre Hall here. I'm from Western Pennsylvania. I graduated high school in 2013. I had a full academic scholarship to Slippery Rock University. I got started working online in 2014. I've been learning and earning ever since. Sibling of 12. My goal is to help 1,000 families earn a full-time income from their smart device. As promised, I'll be talking about Forex. Right, so if you're interested in compounding income, right, watch what happens to this penny over the next 30 days if it was to double every single day. So you see on day 1, it's 1 penny, day 2, 2 pennies, 4 pennies, 8 pennies, 16 pennies, all the way up to 5.3 million. So I want to go over these numbers. The NFL does 9.5 billion a year, the music industry 15 billion a year, video gaming 76 billion, the movie industry 88 billion a year, the natural foods industry 90 billion a year, and the network marketing industry 178 billion a year. So a quick Google search: Forex 6.6 trillion a day, global currency trading surges to 6.6 trillion a day market. Is Forex good for day trading? What time does the Forex, right? So how big is this industry? 6.6 trillion per day. So another thing about, let's Google, is Forex recession proof? Forex is not only a recession proof way to make a lot of money and survive an economic crash, but it's an excellent way to learn and stay familiar with current worldly events. Going back to what I was saying, Forex is the only market that allows traders to profit from bearish markets and economies. So I put together this little graph. You can see here I entered in 9.5 billion, right? Let's count the zeros, you see the commas. That's millions, 9.5 billion, billion. Okay, there's the network marketing industry. Let's go over here, make sure all the numbers add up. So 9.5, 15, 76, 88. 9.5, 15, 76, 88. 90, then 187. 90, then 187. So what I did was divided that number, right, B2 by 365, so I could come up with how much these industries do daily. B3 divided by 365, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. So right here what I did was F2 divided by B2. So F2 is 6.6 trillion a day. See the hundreds, hundred thousands, millions, billions, 6.6 trillion. So F2 divided by B2. But F2 is what this industry does daily. That's why I'm dividing it. So it takes the NFL industry 695 years to fuck with Forex in a single day. The music industry 440 years. The video gaming 87 years. The movie industry 75 years. Natural foods 73, network marketing 37, and all of these combined 14 years, right? Because this combined is this right here. That's all that. So that's how long it takes them to mess with the Forex industry, what it does in a single day. So 700 years in the NFL, if you own the whole NFL, right, or partake in the profits of it, right, it takes 695 years to even come close to what circulates through the foreign exchange industry in one single day. So how many times greater is Forex than the NFL? Well, I took F2 divided by C2, so that's the day, 6.6 trillion a day, divided by what the NFL does in a day. We know this math is based off B2 divided by 365. So Forex is 253,579 times larger than the NFL, 160,600 times larger than the music industry, 31,697 times larger than the video gaming industry, 27,375 times larger than the movie industry, 26,767 times larger than the natural food industry, 13,534 times larger than the network marketing industry, 5,277 times larger than all 6 of these industries combined. Get more information about Forex by clicking the button below.